Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to saute shrimp, and we're going to be making an easy butter and garlic sauteed shrimp recipe. And to saute shrimp in butter and garlic is pretty common. It's very popular. It's the basis for a lot of dishes, and it's pretty simple. So we're just going to go over that. And this is kind of a cooking video really for beginners who just want to learn how to saute shrimp. But we're also going to be making, like I said, an easy butter and garlic recipe, and we'll throw some other ingredients in a little bit, which is going to be crushed red pepper and then some parsley for garnish. So we have 3 tablespoons of butter that we're melting here, and this is over a heat setting of 3. And I'm going to go ahead and add now 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and we're going to go ahead and let that butter continue to melt, and it's also going to start warming up the garlic. And I can tell you right now that the aroma is excellent. Now the heat setting that I've warmed up the butter and the garlic is about 4. I'm going to turn it down to about 3 now, and we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp to the saute pan. And one thing you want to make sure that you do when you put your shrimp or whatever maybe that you're cooking into the saute pan is you want to make sure that they are in a single layer and that all the shrimp are touching the bottom of the saute pan, and that's so that everything is going to cook evenly. That's why you want to make sure that everything is touching the bottom of the pan. And you can see we're already getting a little bit of the pink color that you see on shrimp when they're getting cooked or completely cooked. So from here, what we really want to do is you want to let the shrimp cook about halfway through, and you'll see that when you're cooking it, that the meat is kind of a gray color, and as it's cooked, it's going to become a white color, and it's going to get more firm. And when that white color comes about halfway through the shrimp, then that's going to be time to go ahead and flip them over and let them finish cooking off the rest of the way. And as I'm about to turn the shrimp over to the other side, I just want to point out that I've left the tail and one shell on of these shrimp. Cook them, that's how I want to present them, but you can peel the shrimp all the way down and don't leave the tail if you want to. And I'm going to go ahead and flip these shrimp. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet or give this video a like, we'd appreciate that. And you can see that I've flipped the shrimp over. They're just about done. I'm going to give them another minute or so. So just remember, make sure they're all touching the bottom. You want them to cook at the same time. Heat setting of 3 or 4. If it's a little hot, you can turn it down a little bit more. You know, of course, shrimp and most small ingredients cook fairly quickly. So now I'm going to add a couple more things here, and we're going to add some crushed red pepper. So this is kind of, you know, a lot of what you would call Mediterranean spices that we're using here. Garlic and red pepper is kind of a hallmark of that. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn it down. These shrimp are sauteed, they're all the way through, and I'm just going to garnish it now with some fresh parsley. So there we have it. This is how to saute shrimp and make an easy butter and garlic recipe. Once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. And as always, have a great day.